हंसवाहिनी देवी अम्बा सरस्वती अखिल लोक कलावाणी अम्बा सरस्वती शङ्खशैलवासिनी अम्बा सरस्वती शङ्खशैलवासिनी अम्बा सरस्वती संगीतविलासिनी अम्बा सरस्वती संगीतरसविलासिनी अम्बा सरस्वती ओम शक्ति 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 ओम तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा।
Jai Vasavi, Jai Gurudev. Dear parents, thank you all for your cooperation and support. Due to the current circumstances, this year we had to celebrate our kindergarten graduation differently. But I believe that's what makes this time even more special and unique. Kindergarten graduation is a milestone for pre-primary children, as it is the first step towards a future full of hopes and possibilities. It marks a new beginning that adds new dimension to their school life and the journey they begin towards knowledge and education. My dear students, I am very happy because all my lovely children are graduating from kindergarten and soon will be going to primary. Graduation is a time to celebrate a new beginning and say goodbye to everything that has given you a reason to smile. It is warm memories of the past and big dreams for the future. So, dear students, I wish you all the best for your bright future. Thank you.
I am Arafida from UKG A1. Jai Vasavi, Jai Gurudev, and good morning to one and all. Today is our convocation day. Yes, our words for convocation. I am K. Akhilesh from UKG A1. Thank you so much, dear teachers. This visual graduation will forever be in our minds. I am Vanshika from UKG A1. Everything that we imagine, we can do. Whatever we dream, we can achieve. Thank you. I am Jashwin from UKG A1. We are here to share our happy memories of the last 3 years as we started our journey in 3KG with Vidya Piazza or Akshara Piazza Day. Firstly, 2KG A1, learning the colors, who the colors day celebration was really fun. The memories of KG are truly nostalgic because of the joy and fun they gave us. Thank you. Today I am Jina from UKG A1. In LKG, we learn to read and write the alphabet and numbers. We have learned this through various group activities. Thank you. Morning, ma'am. My name is Jason. I am UKG A1. The teacher taught us the narrate the story as I rhyme, which improve our vocabulary and confidence. Thank you. I am Jianya Kothari from UKG A1. Our teachers conducted fun experiments to create a variety of learning experiences. Thank you. I am Nikunj Sharma, UKG A1. In extracurricular activities, we enjoy our western dance, bhajan session, and star leaf classes. UKG A1. I like the colorful particles such as beanbag, gloves, coats, but my favorite was parachute. Thank you. I am Pa from UKG A1. This year, due to pandemic situation, we are not able to attend school and miss the lot of classroom fun. Thank you. Good morning, ma'am. My name is Pranal Jain. I feel UKG A1. Our teacher made the online video and activities which were very interesting, exciting, and captivating. Thank you, ma'am. Hi, this is Brajan, UKG A1. They meted all just swallowed in the school, allowed us to explore and learn many new things. Thank you. I am K. Vago from UKG A1. This year we got the opportunity to learn Hindi and Tamil. We enjoy learning languages. Thank you. Good morning, ma'am. My name is Vivian Rakshan. I am studying UKG A1. Waiting for Friday GK videos. GK questions from different topics, whereas to learn about weather on this. Thank you, ma'am. Morning, ma'am. My name is Itam Gandhi. My teachers taught us that creativity, learning, 2 videos, or everywhere that they take. Hi friends, my name is Dian from UKG A1. As a season prepare, we learn many rhymes and modern stories. This year, all the teachers prepare and send videos for especially for us. Thank you. Bye bye. Jai Vasavi, Jai Gurudev. My name is P. Shantanu. I am studying in UKG A1. Saturday warm-up activity videos was superb. We enjoyed all the warm-up videos along with our family. Thank you. Jai Vasavi, Jai Gurudev. My name is P. Durvesh. Studying in UKG A1. I enjoyed the bunny class. Happy day, ma'am. I am R.I. Bunny from UKG A1. Apart from Bunny Prayer, Bunny Motto, Bunny Promise, also enjoy story time, rhymes and good habits and gaps time. Thank you, ma'am. I am Yuvan Vijay from UKG A1. The virtual Bun Camp was very interesting as our LKG friends spoke about good turns and our UKG friends participated in a skit. Madira KR from UKG A1. A field trip always provides the fun-filled learning opportunity for us. Due to the pandemic, you are not able to go out to any place. The physical field trip was sadly out of question. Shana from UKG A1 and being at home experience adventures of Vasavi Jai Gurudev. My name is H. Shri. I am studying in UKG A1. We booked the online tickets to Hong Kong Disneyland. The virtual free trip to Hong Kong Disneyland was immensely enjoyable for us as well as our family. Thank you. I am Danyasri from UKG A1. It was a great delight to participate in virtual Kalavashini, a cultural festa where we took part in solo dance and team talk. All the participants were rewarded with an e-certificate. Thank you. My name is Jay Dhruti. We celebrated Krishna Janmashtami by watching video of Lord Krishna's sent to by our teachers. We also colored the Lord Krishna butter pots. Thank you. Good morning, ma'am. My name is Sashika, UKG A1. On Teachers' Day, we expressed our respect and love for our dear teacher by sending them wishes, songs and cards. Thank you, miss. I am Himita Shri from UKG A1. With pride in our heart, we celebrate our country's Independence Day. Our UKG friends deliver patriotic speeches. I am Kavya Rathod from UKG A1. While PKG and LKG, we celebrated Pongal festival by dressing up in our traditional attire and Hula cart ride. Thank you. Hi everyone, my name is Neena Jain, UKG A1. This year we have celebrated Pongal festival. Some are UKG friends perform dance, tradition dance, give speech on virtual Pongal festival. Bye. Thank you. I am Nakshatra Lakshmi of UKG A1. It was an excellent opportunity to exhibit our talents by participating in the virtual Kiddies Carnival. Thank you. Hi friends, my name is Navya Jain. I am studying UKG A1. We participate in the Kiddies Carnival events such as memorable storytelling. Receive the certificate. Thank you. Good morning, ma'am. I am Nishka Shah from UKG A1. For all these and much more, we thank our beloved principal, Mrs. Vinola Murli, and our KG teachers for their support and constant motivation. I am Shayarita from UKG A1. Like all teachers, this year our parents and grandparents to the next to us. Thanks to our parents and grandparents for their continuous guidance and support throughout this year. Thank you. Rashi from UKG A1. May this week ending of kindergarten become an incredible start to each one of us for the next academic year. My name is Sachi Vansali from UKG A1. Dear teachers, we promise you that with your encouragement, motivation and never-ending love, we assure you that we will continue to study well and come out with flying colors. Thank you.
It is my great honor to introduce to you today our graduating class. As they turn the page to the next chapter of their lives, they'd like to say something very special to you. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Two little words, two little words, two little words, not goodbye. It's the end of the year, graduation is here. Our two little words to our teachers, moms, dads, grandparents, and all. Thank you, thank you, thank you, everyone. Thank you for all you've done. Thank you, thank you, thank you, everyone. Thank you for all you've done. You taught us to read and write. You taught us to learn. You told us it'd be alright and how to take our turn. Thank you, thank you, thank you, everyone. Thank you for all you've done. Thank you, thank you, thank you, everyone. Thank you for all you've done. You helped us to tie our shoes, learn shapes and colors too. There's so many things you do. We just wanna say thank you, thank you, thank you, everyone. Thank you for all you've done. Thank you, thank you, thank you, everyone. Thank you for all you've done. Kindergarten successfully and promise to do well in primary. Thank you. Jai Vasavi, Jai Gurudev. Happy morning, respected principal ma'am, teachers, parents, and all my dear friends. I am Vihan Gupta from Standard 1. Today is a very special day for our UKG friends as they have successfully completed their kindergarten. On behalf of Maharishi Vidya Mandir, SKPD, and charities, it's my great honor to welcome my UKG friends to primary as they turn the page to their next chapter of their lives. Once again, I welcome you, my dear friends. Thank you.